And the race on Jumping Jonah, Royal Soldier rushing up is entry number 5, Mega Arena. Run Excess, Baby Jade is the early trainer. Royal Soldier via length and half, followed by Jumping Jonah. Run Excess, down on the inside is Mega Arena from the outside, and Baby Jade is running at the tail of the field by about 8 or 9 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Royal Soldier via length and a half. Jumping Jonah is on the outside. Grand Excess is racing in third by some 4 lengths alongside Mega Arena. And entry number 3, Baby Jade. Rounding the far turn, 2 runners fighting it out for the lead. Royal Soldier by 3/4 of a length. Jumping Jonah. Getting closer in third is Grand Excess and Mega Arena, Baby Jade. As they race the final corner, Royal Soldier and Jumping Jonah from the outside is Grand Excess. And nearing the last 200 meters more to run, Royal Soldier by some 4 lengths now. Grand Excess from the outside and Baby J down on the inside. And nearing the finish line, it's now Yellow Soldier and finally Yellow Soldier. Baby J close with Grand Excess, Jumping Jonah and Mega Arena.
Okay, crossing the wire first, only the second choice.